40, the thought of getting pregnant seemed far behind me. I felt content with my life, enjoying my independence and an established career. However, fate had other plans. Finding myself pregnant at this age was truly a huge surprise and simultaneously the beginning of an unexpected and nuanced journey. Initially, a myriad of emotions swirled within me. There was overwhelming happiness, of course, because a new life was coming. But undeniably, anxiety also enveloped me. Questions about the risks of late-age pregnancy, the energy that might not be the same, and even societal views flashed through my mind. I realized this wasn't a pregnancy in my early 20s or 30s, and the preparations would certainly be different. One of the first things I did was to seek out as much information as possible and consult with my obstetrician. The doctor explained the potential risks but also reassured me that with close monitoring and a healthy lifestyle, pregnancy at 40 could proceed smoothly. This helped immensely in calming my mind. I began to pay more attention to my nutritional intake, regularly engage in light exercise like walking or prenatal yoga, and ensure I got enough sleep. And physical challenges did arise. The fatigue in the first trimester felt more intense. Back pain and occasional aches became daily companions as my belly grew. Yet, for some reason, every complaint felt small when compared to the joy of feeling my baby's first kicks or seeing the ultrasound results showing their development. There was a profound sense of gratitude. Chavio. Emotionally, I found myself calmer and wiser in handling the changes. Perhaps due to more life experience, I didn't panic over small things. The support from my husband, family, and friends also played a significant role. They became invaluable pillars of strength. Conversations with other pregnant mothers of similar age also provided perspective and much-needed moral support. Leading up to delivery, mental preparation became paramount. I chose to aim for a natural birth and prepared myself with prenatal classes and breathing techniques. The moment my little one finally came into the world was the culmination of all the waiting and struggles. Their first cry seemed to erase all worries and fatigue. Being pregnant and giving birth at 40 might not be the common path, but for me, it was an enriching experience. It taught me about the strength and resilience of a woman's body, about the wisdom that comes with age, and about the boundless love that can grow at any age. Every day with my little one is a reminder that life always has beautiful surprises for us at the most unexpected times.
Talaga akong pinahihirapan itong pagsakit ng aking tiyan na hindi naman nagtutuloy-tuloy sa paglabor. Kaya ayan, naisipan kong ilakad-lakad ko nga ito para matagtag na ako. Pero talagang nakakapagod. Nang maglakad-lakad, masasakit sa mga binti. Ay, Diyos ko, mapapadasal ka na lang talaga na sana matapos na tong hirap. Gusto ko na talagang makaraos. Gusto ko na tiyan. Ayan, at nag-squat na nga rin ako, mga mi, para bumukas na ang aking cervix at magtuloy-tuloy ng aking paghilab ng aking tiyan at makaraos na talaga tayo. Kaya sinatyaga ko talaga kahit ang hirap, kahit ang sakit. Sana nga ay makaraos na talaga ako, mga mi. Nga ni Obi ay mababa na rin daw talaga yung tiyan ko. Inaantay ko lang din talaga magtuloy-tuloy yung paghilab ng tiyan ko. Kaya hindi muna talaga kami pumupunta sa ospital. Pero hindi talaga nagtutuloy-tuloy pa yung paglilabor ko. Yung sakit. Kaya hindi muna talaga kami nagpunta ng ospital. Nagpatagtag muna ako. Naglakad-lakad, squat, akyat baba sa hagdanan. Hindi pa rin talaga nagtuloy-tuloy yung paghilab ng aking tiyan. Sa maghapon na yan, hanggang gabi, inaantay ko talaga na magtuloy-tuloy yung paghilab. Pero hindi talaga pag hiniga mo siya at pinahinga, mawawala yung sakit niya. Pag hindi pa rin nagtuloy-tuloy yung paghilab niya, o wala pa rin panubingan na pumutok, pupunta na ako sa ospital bukas para malaman ko kung ano yung dapat gawin. Sa totoo lang, mga mi, stress na talaga ako dyan. Pero nire-relax ko pa rin yung sarili ko at iniisip ko na lang na hayaan ko na lang at lalabas din yan si baby. Aantayin ko na lang talaga kung kailan niya gustong lumabas. Kaya lagi kong kinakausap yung tiyan ko at nagdadasal lang talaga ako na sana makaraos kami ng ligtas ni baby.